I wanted to make a quick video just going over this problem number 6 on lesson 19 to give you guys a little direction and make sure you understand all of the details of this problem. It says, consider the graph of a degree 5 polynomial shown to the right with x-intercepts -4, -2, 1, 3, and 5. Write a formula for a possible polynomial function that the graph represents using c as the constant factor. Okay, so I think a lot of people were able to get this far. You can see your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different roots and compose 5 factors, these 5 factors, that would result in the 5 roots that they listed. And let me give this function a name. I'll call it f of x. And what they're so this just indicates that here's a polynomial in factored form, and each of these factors will give us a root of the polynomial. The root, remember, the roots are the values of x that make this function equal to 0. So -4 for x would cause this factor to equal 0. Thus, the product would be 0. And so -4 is one of the roots of what we've written here. This gets a little tricky. It says, write a formula for a possible polynomial function that the graph represents using c as the constant factor. Well, here is how we use c as a constant factor. First of all, understand what we mean by factor. We're multiplying our polynomial by this thing called c. So that makes it a factor. That's what a factor is. Also, it's constant because it doesn't depend on x. No matter what x is, c stays the same. So this is the solution that we're looking for part A. In part B, it says, suppose the y-intercept is -4. Here it is on the graph. Okay, I could even just label it with its coordinates, 0, -4. Now, if the y-intercept is going to equal -4, that means when we put 0 into this function, we want to get 4 out of it. So let me do that right here. I'm going to put 0 into this function, and I get the product of c times 4 times 2 times -1 times -3 times -5. And I want to make that equal to -4, the value of y at my y-intercept. It's important to understand that we just put 0 in for x into this original function, and we're going to find the value of c that makes this product equal to -4. So with a little bit of simplification, I can multiply 4 times 2, get 8, times -1, that's -8, times -3, that's +24, and 24 times 5 is 120, and it's a -5, so I get c times -120 is equal to -4. And of course I can solve for c by just dividing both sides of this equation by -120, and I get 4 over 120, which reduces to 1 over 30. So that is my value of c that causes our y-intercept to be at -4. And if I want to be complete, I'll just write out the whole formula with all of its factors, including the value for c that I just found. And this is the resulting function right here.